The ICFA University Meghalaya Admission Open 2024. The university offers program courses in the schools of management, humanities, social sciences, and science and technologies for both undergraduate and postgraduate programs, UG and PG programs. Full-time campus programs offered under the undergraduate programs are BBA, BCA, BCom, BTTM, BA, Economics, Political Science, English and Education. For PG programs are MBA, MCom, MTTM, MCA, MA, Political Science, English and Education, MA Khasi, MSW and MA Music. For further information and details, visit or contact the ICFA University Meghalaya Shillong Campus, Powerville near Shillong Law College, Dhangati, Meghalaya. Phone number 0364 222 0057 94851 58603 700 505 7728 8794 250646.
In a surprise move, police had taken the president of the Khasi Students' Union, Nongthamai Circle, Eric Nongkanri, into custody at the Sadar police station around midnight on the 10th of July 2024, citing the need for a statement regarding recent checks on migrant laborers at construction sites in the area. The students' organization had convened an emergency meeting on the 11th of July to address the incident, and Vice President of the Union, Richard Maukeo, condemned the police action, stating that such procedures should only be conducted during the day.
Kala syong minum step kala penremjur ya kenak kulit yang baka home department kibala le rew cloud bawan kem siteng senya yang presiden juga kisun my circle sama Eric Nongkanri badairu sports secretary juga central executive council juga kisu kepapenlongo yang ini kalong ba haba lakli na sama Eric kay kabala penong ya pi bakin syakem mau sama Eric la juga bong ba kaditan biki ongban chim statement try ha kabaya de baki ki jing khanra bok permit ki jong ki bakaseng la le dina kaliang jongi nilingo bat nim sula mudur ba katakat nak pulit kabab bat ya kaan bat tip ya kaan lu tang benchim statement hadu sistem sinya penle jam nong ilam jengi de long ka iki ka bali lap deng namar ba fisro tu shahi la da don kam chim statement pi don kam kanu kadai ka por men sing sha pidi ben phun la ni lek ai da ka siti hayin ba ngi don kam ya pi ba pluan thanat kata kadika hukum kadika persedia ndrei la da chukem siteng mit sulit kendaraan yang khantam ke bapun solusi yang ikum ka sarkali berkoi kadai kami jong samla irik idang suklat mentadang lai tayo demokli ma udang don haka jing solusi ka bakhrap nrai kitna kulit kham tip yak ta kham khen yak ta nayeng kala long pembab penting pensmi pensujer yaki bayeng hasem jong samla irik tena kaliang jongi kum ka sarkal hi ni penramjur bat ni dawar nak sarkar nak tuat kulit bacim desu nang nismat ban lecam iki hot jongi minmit minyong ndrei la pidon kam di benwan mensin cha pidon kam pun ini nilong iba kloy dar pi kwa kini kulit statement hak bede kini kam ni kloy benwan ndrei bonom kam wan kam statement kam de kam ko baba ya dan ma pi bat ya ka an kam statement kan kam pimut ni de ki kai kla ndrei ni de ki kai kla ni de ki hot seng malang ba pet perman ya chong sup chong ngai ma pek perman ya bah kamyat ya ka jingki wirat bangin yada ya la ka jong ka jet ndi brokoi de ka isi brokoi ka tawi ka chung su binyao ka tawi chung su dom ka jing bitar ka ju por ban ni kermen scam ba nang ni skmat na kaliang ka home department kani ka kubor ka lek jadi bin lek ka sarkar namar ba lada ka sarkar ka shong ka kam chim kya kalong mutlak halu habai di ke jingdawa ke jongi pentrikam ikan RSSI.
It may be mentioned that on the 10th of July 2024, Chief Minister of Meghalaya Conrad K. Sangma had stated that migrant laborers in the state do not need a work permit to be employed in Meghalaya.
Well, they should be. For me to sit here and say that they are that 100% they are all adhering would not be possible, because there are many people working everywhere. But as per the law, each one has to be, and most of the locations, most of the individuals, and most of the contractors are adhering to this particular law. And whenever, if there is any situation where somebody is not adhering, people can complain and inform to us, and we will take necessary action. So that is my whole point, that if there is a concern, raise it with us and we will take up the matter, and we'll talk to the specific individual or the particular contractor who is responsible for that. Regarding the point that the contractors have to, it is a must. That's what the law says. So there is no question of any contractor not registering any of the laborers coming in from outside. So the law passed by the Meghalaya Assembly says that they should. My point being that if there are any contractors who are not doing, let the organizations, individuals, public inform the state government, and state government will then take the action. But individuals cannot take action, organizations cannot take action against this contractor, is what I'm saying. So if that is the case, let them give in writing, is what I'm saying, and let them complain to us. And there is a system and a process to be followed, but you cannot go and take the law in your hands, is what we're saying. That is incorrect.
Following this statement by the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, the Vice President of the KSU Nongthamai Circle, Richard Mawkeo, criticized the statement allowing migrant laborers to work without permits. He also accused the government of failing to implement the MRSSA 2016 and forcing the KSU to take action against infiltration instead of the government doing so.
Henry MRSSA dia ka dia kakti jong sarkar jela dia kumtangi kwa mardon ka sarkar kan dari kam ni ki an khanang ba ki bri ki bawan sakani ka ri ka jongi kinwan ndai ba kinwan la jan re kinwan kat ki kindon kinwan kat ki jing perking khanang ba ki kinum yo bende mon ka ni ka jaka ka ni ka ri ka jongi dia nak liang ka isi berapa ini sno ba ni penramjur saksien ban ni penram yak nak kulit bakam dai shu ban le kum kini ki kam riu klau dak ban le jam ki dikot le pentiang pensme ki bayang basam ju ki dikot namar ki su chai ba yak kam siem idri yak kam siem ban trai nak ta ka jai ban riu pinum la ban siem ni ban ni no na we pa we khot jong ka jai ban riu nrei phile pat kum ni dak ba pentiang pi pensme ki bayang basam kalau ke ke ban nak aliang jong kaseng nyimla ban pediang dalil